Welcome to the Transfers module. On the Transfers page, you can create a transfer either in or out of your site, or you can capture a list of transfers using the bulk transfer template. We are going to look at creating a transfer. Go to the menu bar at the top left-hand side of your page. In the drop-down box, you will see Transfers. Select Transfers. Once selected, you'll have two options on your screen: creating a transfer or bulk transfer capture. Let's select Create a Transfer. Let's create the transfer. Ensure your location is correct. Some customers may have multiple sites. If you need to change your location, select the arrow and pick your location from the list of sites. Once you have identified the location as being correct, move across the page to Movement Direction. Did you receive this equipment? If so, you are doing a transfer in. If you dispatch the equipment, you are doing a transfer out. Move the mouse over the type of movement you are doing. In this instance, let's dispatch the equipment, so we will select Out. Move across the page to Other Party. You can enter either the name or the account number. myCHEP will then search for the account. Move to Shipment Date. This will be the date you are sending the equipment. Select the calendar and then the date from the slide out on the right. Across to the effective date. This is the date you will transfer over financial responsibility for the equipment. If you have an effective date offset rule, also known as EDO, then the effective date should be the same as the shipment date. If you don't have an EDO rule in place, then select the date you wish to have financial responsibility moved to the other party. Let's move down to docket number. You will notice two boxes. Automated means you are creating the docket now. Manual means a docket already exists and a transfer number has already been created, and you will want to add this docket number to your account. You will notice when the automated box is highlighted, the docket number field is greyed out. When we click on the manual docket number, the docket number field is active. In this case, we will be creating a docket. So we will select Automated. Move down to the reference field. Notice the red line? This indicates a mandatory field. You must enter at least one reference number. It is preferred you use a number which both parties can refer to. I will use Test 1. You have the option to enter another reference number if you choose in the Other reference field. To add equipment to your docket, scroll down the page. Click on the plus symbol next to the word Add. A slide out will appear from the right-hand side of your screen. Here you can select from your most commonly used equipment. Just add the quantity against the equipment you are sending out. Select Done. If you need to check you have selected the correct equipment, you can check this by selecting the Download PDF file. Clearly show a picture of the pallet that we are moving. If you need to remove this equipment from the docket, you can select the X button next to the quantity, and the equipment will now be removed. I will now add that piece of equipment again. Put in my quantity, press Done, and I'm now transferring out 10 CHEP pallets. Move down to the transport field. If you are the carrier, keep it on Own Transport. You can enter your driver's name, and the vehicle number. At this time, if you have any specific instructions for the driver or the other party, you can type this in the Add Note section. However, this will only appear on the printed docket and will not stay with this movement. Scroll down and press Submit. If your docket was successful, a slide out screen will appear from the right-hand side, advising you your docket has been successfully transferred. At this time, you can choose Print to print a copy of your docket. Thank you for taking part in creating a transfer.